What you need?
Honey.
Oh.
And we need some cheese. Where's cheese?
Over there. That's the shop.
Miss-
Grocery store is over there.
Miss, do you know where the cheese is?
Oh, I'm a miss now? I'm a miss. Cheese is right by where the mangoes are. And do you have to buy some mangoes too or what?
Yes.
Oh, okay, they're over there.
And where's the cheese?
Those are the cheese over there.
Thank you. Is that the mango?
Yeah, that's the mango.
They're good or bad?
Huh?
Good or bad?
Okay. So are you ready to pay?
Are they good or bad?
They're very good.
Let's do some of this.
You need a cheese, you need cookie and popcorn.
Not cookie.
Oh, you
Or
don't?
not popcorn.
You don't?
Those are for desserts.
Oh. That's it. And some vitamins.
Yeah, I need some vitamins too for my daughter.
For your daughter?
Yeah.
What you got in your shopping cart?
Some honey and mango.
Some honey and mango?
Yeah.
You are a very healthy shopper. Okay.
I have.
What's your name? Bless you.
You could be my daughter now.
What's your name, miss?
You could be my daughter.
Oh, I could be my daughter?
You could be my daughter.
Mm.
Daughter.